Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by creating a new project and selecting your units so dimensions match reality. Import your blueprint image and immediately calibrate scale using a known measurement like a door width. This ensures walls and furniture will be accurate. Once done, enable grid and snap to keep lines tidy and set floor and ceiling heights to match the site. This first step prevents rework later because dimensions remain consistent across furniture and rendering. You now draw the structural layout using the wall tool, clicking to place corners and typing exact lengths when precision matters. After walls are set, add doors and windows from the library and snap them into position. Adjust opening widths so swing and clearance are accurate. Once openings are placed, define rooms with the Room or Area tool and assign floor finishes and heights to each space. This middle phase builds the model's geometry and prepares it for furnishing and accurate takeoffs. You complete the plan by placing furniture and fixtures from the catalog, using 2D and 3D views to verify fit and circulation, rotate and nudge items to fine-tune clearances. Once satisfied, run dimension and area reports and export your floor plan as DWG, PDF, or high-resolution renders for presentation. If something looks misaligned, first recheck snapped points and measurements, then reset the calibrated scale or re-import.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.